In this video, I will show you how to create a grouped product in WooCommerce by combining multiple products into a single bundle. First, open the product you want to use as the grouped product. In the product data section, click the product type drop-down menu and change it from simple product to grouped product. Next, click on linked products from the menu on the left side. In the grouped products field, search for the products you want to include in the bundle. For this example, search for the t-shirt and select it. Then search for the red cap and select that as well. You will also notice an upsells section below. This section is separate from grouped products and can be used to recommend additional products on the product page. For example, you can suggest another cap design, a premium t-shirt, or any related item that customers may be interested in purchasing. Now scroll back to the top and enter a name for your grouped product. For example, you can call it T-shirt and red cap set, so customers clearly understand what is included in the bundle. Next, add a product image that represents the entire set. Scroll down to the product image section and click Set Product Image. Select Upload Files, then click Select Files and choose an image that shows both T-shirt and red cap together. Once the image finishes uploading, select it and click Set Product Image. After everything is set up, click the blue Publish button to make the grouped product live on your store. Finally, go back to All Products from the left-hand menu. You should now see your simple product, variable product, and grouped product listed and ready to be added to your WooCommerce store. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.